Welcome to OptoSky. Today we will measure engine oil composition with UV VIS transmissivity. First is connecting system. ATP2400 light source adopts 12 power supply. The other end of the light source is connected to the sample pool. And another side is connected to the spectrometer. The spectrometer is connected to the computer software via a USB cable. The software will show that the connection was successful. Then the test can begin. Firstly, connect the spectrometer and the surrounding dark current, which fluctuates between 700 and 715, and then stop it. Click DAC Connect Data fluctuates at 0, stop it. After the DAC button is detected, we test the engine oil. Firstly, based on water. Water is injected into the sample pool. And turn on the light source. In the data, increasing the integration time of the software, the power can be adjusted to 40,000 to 50,000 and past. Point train and rev. Continuous correction. It is at 100. Replace the lead tubes to be tested and fill the sample pool with engine oil. It can be found that there is a discrete concave side, which is characteristic of engine oil. Welcome to access to OptoSky website www.optosky.com.